Hello. Good morning. Welcome to another ES Futures trading stream. My name is Victor. I'm streaming from Atlanta. The software I use here for market profiles is Window Trader. I believe one of the best softwares that we have available in the market. It is 9:26 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. We had Google yesterday. And I'm going just to put here what we have yesterday. Do you remember what we have yesterday? Oh, let's add one more day here. Time frames, time axis. Oh, come on, man. Two days, okay? Do you remember what we have here? What everything is? It was a nice, beautiful chart, really nice chart. Trending day, dominated by these short-term traders. And look at where the market is right now. You know, just about to get to this area here. Okay. Russell is opening around the center of yesterday's. The Dow in the lower side of yesterday's range. ES about around the center. And Nasdaq also around center, around previous day range. Okay, I always like to keep this on side so I can see what the other indices are doing. Check the bonds, how the bond market is. Oh, bond market is, we have a rally there. We have a gap in the 30. Gold making new highs. September high as I believe I have support here around the 58.80. Where is 58.80? Around these huge blocks. This one here. 58.80. This is a trend line here, right here. Okay, this one here, which is also last. So let's use last as a reference. And from yesterday, we have this tremendous block. Right? It was just gigantic here. What was from this day? I think was 12,000. And yesterday we have this 9,000 here. No, a little bit higher. Market was bought from this. You know, I'm short below. Because I'm short below this area, below 58, and long above this one. And the market is in range, right? Also price. One time frame higher has stopped in the daily time frame. The weekly is forming an inside bar, and the market is about to open now. My main reference is here. My main reference from today is the late pullback low. Okay, which is actually is this one here. This one here. Notice what is happening. The market is having downside continuation of this liquidation that we have here, that we had at the end. This high is super questionable. Really, look at how many highs you have. 1, 2, 3, 4 highs, and look at, we have 3 more here. 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 highs here. 10 highs here. It's just, But right now, overnight inventory, notice we have this distribution as well. Really tiny micro distribution here. But the market didn't do, it's not doing anything. It's rather having continuation of yesterday's, right? Overnight inventory is 100% short, long. And look at this formation here. Looks like a 45, right? Let's expand this. No, it's not a 45. Okay. 45 formations are not about the line itself, but how the line is made. We don't have 45 here. 58.85. What do we have? How much are this 58.85? 3 points here. That would be, if the market decides to go higher, as right now, that would be a copy and paste of yesterday's. Markets rarely do that. But never know. Now, what happened yesterday is, this may look like a short covering day. Actually, it was a short covering, but it has some upside extension here. It's elongated, it's not truncated, and it has left an extremely, very, very questionable low here. And we have a balance. We have 3-day balance. We don't have 2 days like these ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 3-day balance now. And I haven't seen this kind of activity before. The amount of prints at the close is just unbelievable, bro. It's unbelievable. Let's see if this one is close here. Look at where this market is stopping here. Oh, my bad. I didn't mean to. This is late pullback low. Okay. Where the market builds value now? Below this pullback low or above? Remember where this area is. 58.60. Come on, man! Don't tell me you are selling from. Look at where this area is being bought. Right from the high of this one. Right there. It was bought right from there. It's more of the same. Okay. It is not. It's very rare that two trading days are or behave the same way as they or the market behave the same way as it did the previous day. The main indices, the Nasdaq and ES, are at center. The Dow is getting out previous day in range. Oh, and Rubus is trying to get out. So, yesterday. September high remains as main support of this market right now. Okay, the reason why I highlighted this area, this one here, is because of this liquidation that we have at the close. Okay, then we have Google and market just came back up to here. and close, but it didn't have upside extension after that. Now this is a good amount of volume. 300 for the overnight, 300. That's almost half of this session. This is very low. The regular session, regular trading hours volume is kind of low. 800 is very low actually. And this is one of the lowest days, man. One of the lowest days. What day is today? Today is Wednesday or Tuesday? Oh, Wednesday. So this is Tuesday. This is Tuesday. This is Monday. Monday was even lower. Volume overnight 305, 761. Oh no. Look at this. Same sell as the previous day. Unchanged. Huh. Unchanged. Market hasn't changed relative to Monday. Huh. Did you see that? This saddle. Oh, come on. It's not the same. There's something wrong there. Or maybe I am. Oh, okay. I am wrong. It was 61. 61.50. My bad. Monday. Oh yeah, it's 61. I misread this. I thought it was the same. Okay, so there's no interest in doing a counter action. I mean, there is a counter action here now, right now. Next thing, the lower side, closing the distributions, okay? Closing that distribution changes the tone. Right now, this still could be an upside day, or bias, for me at least, or bias to the upside. Yesterday, we were talking about, sometimes we can see trades, but it not necessarily happens the same day. I was talking about these highs, this one being taken. It wasn't taken. It get to the level, but it wasn't. But actually, the trade can actually be this one here. I was expecting something to buy here. Retracement maybe around this to buy. It didn't give me that, but I got the market somewhere in here. I got a loan somewhere in here. Now those distributions have been closed. Why is important, or what's the relevance of a distribution being closed? So now the logical place to go is the opposite side of that one, which is this 58, 48. Okay. Still an inside day. All the loans from yesterday, all the weak loans from yesterday. The loans from the overnight are being taken out now. This one, look at that. No, this could be a buy. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to buy this market. And my stop is 48. Uh-oh. Where's 48? Alright, I just put a stop right there, 48. This is not good. This is not good. This is not good. You know what? As soon as it give me something here, like I got 2 points in profit. It just took too much time. It took me too much time to place my stop. And now I'm going to be stop out, I believe. Alright, I'm out. I'm out here. Alright. This is a nice liquidation from yesterday. Okay. Next. Oh, look at that. Look at this. The same issue that we have in the upper side here. This healing, right? It's the same thing we have down here. We got all these lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All these lows here. But that kind of like had a camouflage, right? They are not quite obvious there. Now, if the market has the opportunity now to take yesterday's low. It has a chance right now. Taking that low now during A, that's something. That can signal something. You know, some kind of like a more serious selling going on. And we have this big mark here. Notice where the market opened. Very close to this one here. This is a continuation of yesterday's. All the gains we have yesterday, those are out now. Okay, let me think about something here. Let's check how these 5 minutes are. Okay, all of that inventory is out already. I think this looks like a counteraction, man. 58.85. How much are these 58.85? $2 again. Just like yesterday. Let's wait here. Has removed all that thing. It came down to didn't close the distribution. Nasdaq did not close the distribution here. Look at this. Did not close this distribution. Just right there. I'm going to highlight the distribution here for Nasdaq. My main reference in the ES is this one here. What happens? What's happening with the Dow? That was really nice on the inside day. Really nice access on the upper side, access on the lower side, and now it's coming back inside the inside value. I guess this is more like a general area here. Ooh, look at Russell, man. Look at this. Look at what it has yesterday. Look at this range. Come on, this channel. And now it's just. The Russell is to the upside. Dow has re-entered the range. Nasdaq and ES. Nasdaq has not closed the distribution, and the ES did not get out of the range. How about that? And remember here, what happened this day when we have two distributions, and believe it or not, this day is similar to this one. We have two distributions here, one here and one here. The market opening above this distribution, it closed yesterday, it closed here and opened up here, way above the distribution, right? Closing it. Right? Actually, what this actually does is, it diminish, right, the relevance of this one, or this side, by the market, doing the opposite now, closing this one to the downside actually diminishes this side. Right. There are some differences here now. That's when the similarities ends. Right? Now we have an extremely questionable high. I don't like the short side here. That's a bias I have in here. If I have recovered what I have lost here when I shorted, when I get long here. Remember, I had me a stop here and then re-enter when the market re-entered here. And inside there, market's back inside value. What I want to see, the whole picture is, what I want to see is, can this market build value below the late pullback low? Now, this is a very dangerous market, man. Very dangerous market. Anything can happen here. Yesterday, the tone was to the upside. Did you see how traders were buying, buying, buying? Now the question is, are traders going to switch today? What's the tone for today? So far, there's an inside day. It's a continuation. The action has having some downside continuation relative to yesterday. Very low volume relative to yesterday as well. The rally from yesterday was really bad, man, really bad. This movement that we have to the downside today, I hope you remember, it is completely different than the one we have yesterday. It is just so different, man. Nice excess in the lower side. Now this was a level from where the market was sold previously. Very weak, by the way. It was very weak, very questionable. Sometimes the market, once that those levels are clear, the market may sell again for the same level. Now look at Dow, man. Look at the Dow. Strong reaction to the upside. The Russell has already taken previous day range out. The 2 days, two previous days. This is looks like a strong day to the upside. We might have something to the upside here. Did you see how misleading this break can be? Okay, let me do something here. I'm going to remove this and use this one instead. Okay, market has traded above late pullback low. This week low, this was a sell as well. This has to be corrected. So this is not a reference anymore. Let's look below the range for the third time. All right. No man, that high, I don't want to be short in this market. Look at that AD high and what we have above yesterday. The odds of this market, the odds of having a successful short here is are very low. The risk is really high. Notice where POC is here, where POC is here, where POC is here. Kind of going lower, a little bit lower. That is also interesting though. Now trending days, we have a trending day yesterday. Trending days are 20%, maybe less, happens 10% of the times. It's very rare to have back-to-back trending days. Now, the market has not get out of previous day range. You know, AA here had the chance here, it didn't. You know, which puts this high back, you know, side again. And be aware, if this high is taken, there is tremendous amount of stops here, here, and here. We have this is 10. Let's do something here. This is not 3y now. This is 10y here. 10y, 10y highs. This is just unbelievable, bro. Unbelievable. Okay, this is super questionable here. This could be the potential. I mean, this is looking at me. What the heck? I didn't mean to go short, to go long here. The heck is this? And since you're there, nah, this is okay. Let's move. Nah, let's move this thing up here. Come on, man. I'm gonna move it up here. I don't want to be. I need me to be short, to be long here. I did not. This was an accident. This was an accident, man. This was an accident. Look at this low here. I don't like. I didn't mean to do that. But there was a streamer. I should have closed right away. But I didn't mean to go longer. I don't know what happened, man. I didn't click anything. At least I will check the video, but I didn't click anything. I may have clicked some. I may have hit some keys here. Maybe it's a hotkey. That's why I have a photon trader, the trading disabled here, because sometimes you just hit some keys here and do something, right? The good thing about photon trading, or my broker, FutureSpot, they allow me. They gave me two platforms. They gave me Rhythmic and Photon Trader. I don't use Photon Trader for trade. I like them the charting. They allow me to have they have a plugin for Windows Trader. I guess I could use for me. It's better. I like this Rhythmic. It's just so simple, man. You just go long, short. You can put your stop here, for example. If I wanna go, for example, this is the stop here. If I'm gonna go long, stop long, I will put my mark here. As soon as the market hits this one, I will go long, right? Above this. If I'm gonna go short, for example, which I don't want, I could click here and As soon as the market hit that, it will trigger the order. This is cancel all and flatten. This is cancel all the orders that are already here, right? That are not being executed yet. This has distracted me. Ugh. Because I was looking, what I was doing, I was looking this 58, 85 calls. But that, man, this is, you have to be 100% focused here. You got to be 100% focused. Nasdaq is the only one that is holding this market. Has not established a tone for the day yet. This kind of thing, I thought this kind of thing, I have seen this so many times before, man. You got this tremendous amount of you know what? This is a trade here. Let me explain you a trade. We have this thing yesterday. Market unbelievably long, really horrendous. No horrendous. Yes. It has a trend. It was a trending day. It has a tone to the upside all day long, but it wasn't that convincing. And when you check and when we check the 5-minute charts, we can see a really nice, beautiful chart here. The shortest time frame traders in control or dominating the session here. What this does, add the overnight to that. And what this movement does is remove all of these things, all of these trades of this long inventory from the are out now. All of them are out, right? What does happen? How does happen with this break here? The counter-reaction to this, and after that we have this rally we are having now. This is the trade, and potentially maybe coming to 94 or maybe close to 5,900. If there is something to the upside, we can make new highs today. Okay, but this trade is this one here. Okay. This is okay. I am going to say something here. I guess I missed the trade here. This long here, kind of like a good. What the heck happened here, right? This got me out. I think my focus. I was just checking this, as I say. I was checking this call here. Okay, planning to go long here. Because we have this 7 wide. We were talking about how this level sometimes, that was a week before. Sometimes those levels are being sold after that. But you got a feeling. You have this low. The market got back. Couldn't get this yesterday low. Get back inside the overnight profile. Get back inside M, right, which was above late pullback low, and we have this level now, the 7 wide, the 72 something. Okay, just that. And I was just feeling it right there. What I do with these things here, these micros here, I do hedge with this one. When I have something to the upside or to the downside, you think the market may have a pullback or a small rally after the movement. That's when you hedge your position, right? And that's why I have this one. I'll notice something here. Notice this amount here, right? These blocks here. These are this is a first sign of profits taken here. Profits being taken here around this area, right? Around this 9K. We may have another spike here. Aim to take yesterday's high. What time is it? It's 10:13. Maybe around 10:20 could be. I want to see something there around that time. Look at this. Look at this trend here. A strong trend here. Really strong upside movement. It's slightly lower volume than yesterday. Now we have a very questionable high, right, and also a very prominent overnight POC. What was your bias here? I know. I remember the trade I was talking to you about. You know, the Google, the overnight inventory, being long, weak rally yesterday, weekend overnight long inventory as well, the break and rally. And this is what you can call a setup, right? One setup. You will see this happen. I wouldn't say often, but you will recognize this. You just, but to recognize something, to internalize something, to put something inside deep back in your memory, it has to happen many times, right? Multiple times before. Look, getting closer and closer to this guy. It's unbelievable weak here. If this high is not taken, we can have some serious liquidation here. Be aware of that. Let's see the market give us a spike here. Just about, or give us a break. I wouldn't like to be short here. But the market is getting too low. Just imagine here, coming all the way this up here. This market just got too long right now. $46, that's almost 40 points there. Some rebalancing may happen here too. You know, these spikes are usually where traders get out, right, of their positions. Come on, man, you got 40 points here. You wanna catch the last 10%? The risk of catching the last 10% is also something you must consider here. The market can come and take this low here, maybe back to the 12 here or somewhere in here. That's the risk here. You know, can you see? Look at this. Look at this amount of positions here. Now this is profit taking here. This is the third time the market is making an attempt to take that high. Just imagine what can happen if the high is not taken. So far we have overlapping value, we have a market to the upside, trending. So far. So close to the highs, man. So close to the. Traders come feel it there. They just can't. They just can't take it that high. Oh, look at this 10,000 here. Let's see, we have some red here as well. Can you see the volume coming there? Overall volume, New York Stock Exchange is not that good. Same as yesterday. Selling from this area here. Right from this area here. I want to see if there is something there. Or if we are going to have a rotational day. And I remember opening inside previous range increases the odds of having a rotational day. You know, the closer the market opens to the center, the higher the odds of chop. We open really close to the center. You're not having any rotation yet. Russell, take a look at Russell, how far it has retraced. Same goes for down. Nasdaq pushing, the US pushing. This is the fourth time, right? Coming to this high. Almost 4 or 5 times coming here. That is high. We have 2 distributions here now. It's getting so slow here, man. So slow here. It's not the job. Remember, it's not the job of short-term traders to take the market out of balance. Remember, we have a balance. We have a 3-day balance. The market is inside balance. It's not just inside the 3-day balance. It's inside yesterday's balance area. It would be nice, man. It would be nice for the market to come back. Kind of like close to that 58.72. Not too close to a high. Look at this. Oh, this is the ES. Look at Nasdaq. The thing is, sometimes you just get caught by these emotions, right? Greed. I can make 5 more ticks. I can make 2 more ticks. I can make 1 more tick, right? And the risk, you risk a lot there. You know, you got good amount of profits there, and you don't want to take you don't just want to take. You just don't want to take it because you think, you hope, you expect the market will keep going high. Ooh. By the way, I haven't checked the VIX. 1949. We have a slightly lower volume than yesterday. Volume is decreasing a little bit. I think the trade has 80% of the trade, 89% of the trade has been completed here. First a counter action and then the rally could happen after that. This is a good area to take profits or boy, this high is not good, man. It's not good at all. 58. How much are this? 58.80. 2 days, 9 points. Fuck. This is not a good high, man. Very low odds that this is a daily high. That this high is going to stay as a lasting one, or that this is going to be a daily high. The odds of that happening is very low. And this one is not 10 now. This now is 12 white here now. got to be nuts to do to short this market now. The last thing I want to do is short. It is just taking too much time, man. It's just taking too much. The market is taking too much time to. When the market takes too much time to take a reference, the market is in fact rejecting that reference. This looks like short covering here now. It's overlapping. We have overlapping value here. Just check this out. Value, value, value. No? All them inside this one. As you can see, it's fucking boiling here. I don't know, I was snoring here, but I fall asleep here. Oh, look at what this market is. 58, I forgot about this. 58.85, right? We said that was the trend line. No, my little bit high. No, this high is not good. It's 1, 2, 3 high. Super questionable. Any questions? You have any questions? Just let me know because I'm not doing anything here now. This is getting inventory here, accumulation inventory here. And something may happen now. When I say now, it's not right now, right? Check the volume, for example. It's the higher the market goes, the lower the volume. It's starting to decrease. This is how much? Maybe 5%, 5% lower. Not that much, but not that much because. But this, if it keeps going, it will end higher than this. That's the past 9 days. Jim once mentioned, there was this successful trader, right? People want to trade with him, okay? And there was this guy that went with him to trade, and he when the day was over, or in the week, I don't remember exactly, it was a week or a day, but he was pissed, right? He was pissed because complaining with everybody. That guy is just sleeping. He's not trading. But that statement by itself says a lot, says a lot about the one who is speaking, right? Rather than the one who was being alluded in that statement. Because when you trade, most of your job is observation. It's observing the market, waiting for an opportunity, trying to figure out what's happening, what's going on, who is behind, who is doing this, who is doing that. And if there are no opportunities, what do? You just do nothing, man. Just nothing. If there are no opportunities, just don't do anything. If you want to trade, you will find a trade. The best trades are usually the ones that just pop out of nowhere. Like this one yesterday here, and today it was different. Right? The reasoning behind today is yesterday the market just didn't have it. It was just dying. It was just dead down here. Down here today, this was in hindsight, of course, it's easier, right? This was product of counteraction only. What happened here yesterday and what happened here overnight. You have 100%, almost 100% long inventory, weak long inventory from the overnight, plus the weeks from yesterday. Notice what we have. We talk about a lot about these 5 minutes charts, right? This is the ES 5 minutes, um, a reaction to that. And once the market reaches this side, that's it, right? That's it. We may have something here. Again, this is extremely bad, extremely weak, extremely questionable. It doesn't necessarily mean that it has to be corrected today. One of the first signs is we saw this profit taking here. Right? Let me see if I can find a picture of yesterday. This was really nice as well yesterday. No. Here. This is M, right? This is M. This liquidation that's that when the market failed to take this high, just as it is repeating again, right? Today, same thing. It failed to take this high. This 7 is adds more questionable highs here. Oh, what the heck is this? Okay, this is new. And when the market gets around this area here, these prints start to appear. And that's a print that comes on the close. Usually, when I see those ones, if there is anything there, if I have a trade, which is not that often, it's very rare, but that usually is a sign, right? Warning flag there. Okay, maybe this is time now to take profits, or start to hedge. What happened also is the market has to deal with current business first. What was the business there yesterday? We have Google, right? Now we have the overnight, and we have yesterday's, and what we have after the close. I believe we have Microsoft. We have Microsoft and Meta today. And tomorrow we have Amazon and Apple, right? And PCE. And Friday non-farm payrolls. And who wants to have something here? Huh? Who wants to face this market long or short? It seems like it turned out, instead of being, alright, now that this level that was used to sell, now it's being used to buy. It's just, and we have lots of inventory here. Huge inventory here. Now Russell has reversed the Dow as well. Nasdaq and the ES are holding right there. Look at Nasdaq. Look at that low. Look at this low in Nasdaq. This is Nasdaq. ES. Now this is some volume here. What the markets? Bonds are backing. No, bonds are high. Bonds are to the upside. Now, let's take a look again to that late pullback low around 58.65. Like early in the morning, we talk about where the market, can build value, right? Something serious to the downside will build value below that late pullback low. And right now, most of value, or the major part of value, is above the late pullback low. An indication that maybe this was just some rebalancing of the inventory that got too long. We are still inside yesterday's range. This looks like short covering. Yesterday also was looking like short covering. It had some upside extension and has left extremely weak high. I am repeating the same thing over and over here. Alright, guys. Again, unless there's any questions, I'm going to call it a day. Um, if if more periods start to build back and forth, or start to trade back and forth around B high and C and B low, it will be adding to that range. It's true that value will be inside or maybe even overlapping to higher, but just be careful. Okay? The last thing I want to be right now is short because of those 12 highs that I have there. They're very questionable. Right? But when the market takes too much time to take a high, uh, got to be aware of that one too, or that thing too. And if a bigger range is built during the intraday around that 83 and 70 something, I will see a short covering there happening. Short covering. One of the nuances is short covering. The short covering weakens the market, And why it weakens the market? Because when shorts covering happens, there is one trade that's getting out of the market. You know, he was short and is covering his short and buying the market to get out of the market. It's not a new one. It's not a new one that is coming into the market. Okay, it is someone that is, it is a participant of the market that's getting out of the market. So it creates a vacuum there. That's why it weakens the market. It happens the same way. It is the same principle the other way around too. Right? Long liquidation actually strengthens the market. All right. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Stay safe. I hope I can see you tomorrow. All right. Bye bye. Hmm.